How would you like to join me on a little adventure today to explore the forest and see what bugs we can find? If you have a scarf or a tea towel, please grab one, pause the video and get one for our warm-up. I have one with some butterflies on, which is perfect for today. I'll wait here for you, and then when you're ready, we'll get up on our feet. Ready for the warm-up. If you have a funky jacket, put it on. If you have a funky hat, you can put that on. If you have anything that you want to wear, pause the video again, get that and put it on. And then use your scarf to warm up your body, starting from the bottom. Warm up your feet. Warm up your legs. Warm up your knees. Warm up your tummy and your chest and your neck. Whee! Over your head. Back down the other side. So warm up your shoulders. Woo! Warm up your back. Warm up your bottoms. The backs of your legs. Backs of your knees. All the way down to your feet. And then just move your body in any way that it feels good to get it nice and warm. Use your scarf to dance. I'm feeling nice and warm. How about you? Oh, let's take a seat. Take a few deep breaths in through your nose. Blow it away. As if you're blowing up a big bubble in through your nose, and blow the bubble up even more. And one last big breath in. Blow the bubble up even more. Now, let's start our little adventure. To get comfortable, I'll give you a little clue before we start each bug. See if you can guess. Hum, hum, hum. So sit comfortably with your legs crossed. Stretch your arms out wide. Take a big breath in through your nose. And as you blow the breath away, do a gentle hum sound with your mouth. And if you like, you can flap your arms. Hum, hum, hum. It's a bumblebee. And then creepy crawl across the floor. So get on your hands and knees. Slowly lower down onto your elbows. Move your feet back and keep your back straight. And then use your arms and your feet to move backwards and forwards like a caterpillar. Here's the third clue. Lift lift and turn up to the sky. So stand with your legs wide apart. Turn your front foot forwards and leave your back foot facing your side. Use the front arm down to your lower leg or your foot, whichever is most comfortable. Bring the other arm up and look up to the sky. We're a stick insect. Can you do the other side?